Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to establish a Payoneer account or a business Payoneer account from scratch. Alright, for my case, I do have a Payoneer account. And for those who don't know Payoneer account, you can also use it the same way as PayPal to receive payments and also to send payments. Alright, so for the first step to sign up for Payoneer, open up your Google Chrome. And then once you're on your Google Chrome, you come to the search bar here, then search for Payoneer the way it is. Take note of the spelling. Payoneer. Sorry about that. Payoneer account. Sign up. Okay, free. Alright, so you search for Payoneer account sign up free, and then once you search for that, you'll choose this first website over here. So this one allows you to create another account. This one down here, create a new account. For my case, I do have a Payoneer account, so we shall tap on that, the last option which says create Payoneer account. And then as you can see, you'll need to fill in this form. Remember, you're creating a business account. So the first step over here, you'll need to put in your name over here, assuming you're called Joshua, and then your last name is Zexi. Okay, assuming you're called Joshua Zexi, and then you put in your email address too. All right, so for this case, I'll put in that, and then put in the password. Set your password. I'll set that as my password. Okay, so after setting that as my password, I'll need to confirm my password. What do they mean by confirm password? You have to put this password once again to confirm that it is you making this account. Then after confirming your password, then you will need to first put in the certificates over here. This is more like documentation proving your location. So for the case of Payoneer, you have to prove your location, more like proof of address. You can use a bank statement if you have a bank in your country, a bank account. You can use a bank statement. You can use a bill, maybe an electricity bill that you used to pay. Then after that, you tap on create. Once you tap on create, then you'll be good to go. And that's how simple it is, guys. Then after creating an account, you can then come to Play Store. And then when you come to Play Store, you can then come to the search bar here and then search for Payoneer. Once you search for Payoneer, you'll come and install this application, and then you log in using this application. As you can see, Payoneer has good reviews, 5 stars, 5 stars, 4 stars. It's generally a good alternative for PayPal, and I would advise you to use it. Thanks for watching, guys. We shall meet.